हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्कार, आदाब और सत श्री अकाल। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त नितिन सचदेवा और आज हम बात करेंगे यूके स्किल्ड वर्कर वीज़ा के बारे में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो इन दिस वीडियो वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व्ड टू गेट दिस यूके स्किल्ड वर्कर वीज़ा। द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू गेट अ जॉब ऑफर फ्रॉम एन अप्रूव्ड स्पॉन्सर। So दोस्तों, second step is to check if a job is in the eligible occupation list, which is based on the occupation codes which can be searched from the ONS occupation coding tool, the link of which is provided in the description below. The third step is to find an approved sponsor and get a certificate of sponsorship. I'll be providing you with the list of approved sponsor in the description below. Now the fourth step is to prove that you can speak English. That can be proved by giving an IELTS exam or obtaining an NARIC certificate which can be obtained from an online portal. So उसके charges हैं around £140 plus VAT. So guys, the next step is to check the salary offered in the offer letter. So if you have been offered a salary of around £23,040 to around £25,599, then you will be getting 10 points. And if you are getting a salary more than £25,600, then you will be getting 20 points. और इसमें एक और चीज़ का ख्याल रखना है, इसमें आपको you have to also look at the going rate applicable as per your job occupation code selected. So अगर उसमें job occupation code के accordingly if the going rate is £30,000, then you should get a salary of at least £30,000. So दोस्तों, these were the steps to check your eligibility for the UK skilled worker visa. So अगर आपको लगता है कि if you are eligible, then you should definitely apply for this. So now we will be talking about the gist of documents required. So the first and the foremost requirement is to have a certificate of sponsorship. The second requirement is to have an offer letter. The third is the proof of funds, which is around £1,270. The fourth requirement is to have a valid passport. The fifth requirement is to have a criminal record clearance certificate for some of the profession. And the last requirement is to have a tuberculosis certificate. So अब हमने देख लिया है that we are eligible. We are also collated the documents. But अब मजे की बात, पैसा कितना लगेगा? So the application fees is around £610 to around £1,408. So it depends on your case-to-case basis. So if you are applying for a 3 years visa, so the cost is around £610, and if you are applying for more than 3 years visa, the cost would be around £1,408. Over and above this, you will have to bear a cost of health surcharge, which is around £624. Now, if you also want your spouse to accompany with you and your children as well, there is no additional charge, but you have to show an additional proof of funds. So for a spouse or partner, the additional proof of funds required is around £285, and for children, it is around 315 per child. And now if you are also under eligible shortage occupation list, then there is some concession in the application fees, and you will be charged around £464 for 3-year visa and around £928 for more than 3 years visa. So once you submit the application, it will take around 3 to 4 weeks if you are outside the UK for the UK government to peruse your application and gives a heads up. And once you receive an approval, then you have to visit a VFS center or any VFS center which is near to your hometown to get the biometrics done. So दोस्तों, this was the gist of the whole process, and if you like this video and if you find it helpful, then do subscribe, like and share.